Hi guys, today we are going to cover a very interesting topic, that is capital rationing. Seems very complex, right? Let's break it down. Capital means funds, rationing means shortage of funds. So what do you do when you have a shortage of funds? Logically, you choose the best option available, right? In the same way, whenever a company feels or company faces a shortage of funds, it chooses the best investment option available to them. Okay, so let's take a simple example. You are going to H&M for shopping, you like 5 clothes, each of which total cost 5,000 rupees, but you only have 4,000 rupees. What will you do? Logically, you will only choose the clothes which suits you the best, right? In the same way, whenever company feels this shortage, it chooses the best investment option available to them. Let's understand this with an example. Let's take a scenario. Company A has 3 investment options, out of which the initial investment of option 1 is 5 lakhs, option 2 is also 5 lakhs, and option 3 is 6 lakhs. And the NPV from option 1 is 20,000, from option 2 is 25, and from option 3 is 30. Now, the total investment the company needs is 16 lakhs, but the company only has 11 lakh rupees. So what will the company do? It will choose the option which gives them the best returns. So in this scenario, it will choose the options 3 and option 2 because they are giving them the total best returns. So now you might have a doubt that why this capital rationing occurs. This is because of 2 reasons. First can be hard capital rationing. The second is soft capital rationing. Now what is this hard and soft? Soft capital rationing is nothing but the cap produced by the company on the investments. So the company decides that we will only invest this much amount in this entire year. So it is putting a cap, or it is putting a shortage by itself. That is nothing but the soft capital rationing. This is done to choose the best possible investment options available. And the second one, that is hard capital rationing, is nothing but the shortage imposed by the company from the outside factors. Okay, so it can be the case that company wants to invest, but there are no funds available for the company from outside. So in that case, there is a cap from outside. That is nothing but the hard capital rationing. So let's take an example for this. When there was a pandemic happening in 2020, there was shortage of funds. Even if the company wanted to invest, the company didn't have the access to those funds. Like in the similar case in 2008, when the financial crisis hit US, there was a shortage of funds in the entire world. These are the examples of hard capital rationing. So I hope this session was very insightful. Hope to see you in the next video. Thank you so much.